Hello, howdy, welcome or welcome back to the channel.
No more can be traded. My heart's a bit spaded. I'm not too prideful to openly. You've been all complacent. The tides have been changing. Love is just patience, and for you.
As you read by the title, I'll be letting my Instagram followers pick my reads for this week. We're gonna be going from Monday through Friday, and I wanted to give this video a try because, now mind you, if you're not following me on Instagram, it's linked in my description. You can always click it, go follow me on Instagram. For the people that are following me, you already seen this post, so yeah. But I decided to do this video because I've been seeing a lot of people ranting and raving about a couple books that I want to read, and I'm in the mood for something. Can I say it's fantasy related? I don't know. I just don't read romance right now. So I'm gonna go pick out two books. I have one that I want to read, and it's another one that I'm going to take a picture of and have my Instagram followers to choose for me. I'll be right back. I have the two books that I'm interested in reading, and it's The Divine Rivals and The Woven Kingdom. I'm going to take a picture of them and let my followers choose which book I'll be reading for today and maybe tomorrow. So we're gonna let them choose that for me, and I'm gonna let that sit for like an hour or so, and then we will be back to see which book we will read. So I'll see you guys then. It's been a few hours later, so let's go back and check the poll and see what book won between The Divine Rival and The Woven Kingdom, and see which book we will be reading for the week. So let's see what we will be reading. Okay, it looks like Divine Rivals won by 57% and The Woven Kingdom by 43. So as you can see, The Divine Rivals and Woven Kingdom, we will be reading The Divine Rivals for the first read of the week. So yeah, it's pretty short. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this book, so I'm excited to read it. I don't know what else to say. So we're gonna go ahead and read, and I'll be back with my thoughts and opinions of this book. No God, no creature, no war can come between them. Okay, I don't know what this is about. That is crazy. I've seen a lot of books saying how good this book is, but I have no clue what it's about. So we're about to find out. Alright guys, it is 2 days later and I finally finished reading Divine Rivals. I gave this book 4.75. I really enjoyed this book so much. I went into this book not knowing anything about it, and that's how I like to go in most of my books, not knowing what's going on and having any type of preconceived notions. So if you haven't read this, I suggest you really read it because I truly enjoyed it. I can't wait till the second book come out. I think it's called Ruthless Vows. It come out either in November or December. Don't take my word. I could be lying. But yeah, if you don't know what this book about and you want to know what this book is about, It's about two journalists. They work for this prestigious newspaper, and they're both in competition to become the lead columnist. And something ended up happening, and they end up going off and writing on the front line of the war. Now, that's I'm just giving you like the basics, not really touching on everything that's happening in this book because I don't want to spoil it for anyone. But like I said, 4.75. Truly enjoyed it. Now we're gonna have my babes to be picking another read between let's see. Let me roll out and find two books that I want to read. I think I'm gonna choose from Love Theoretically and Unfortunately Yours by Tessa Bailey. But let me grab the books and I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the two books that I'm gonna be having my babes on Instagram choose from. So if you're not already following me, my Instagram is linked below, and it should have been like at the beginning of the video too as well. But if not, it's talkbookishwithki on Instagram and TikTok. So let me take a picture of these two books and alrighty. I took a picture. I'm posting it on my Instagram, and I'm gonna leave for a couple hours and see what my bookish babes choose for me to read for the next couple days, and I'll see you guys later tonight. It is later in the day, as you can see by the lighting. I just checked the poll and Love Theoretically won, so that's what we're going to be reading today. We're going to start reading that today, and I'm excited because I wanted to read this, although I wasn't the biggest fan of Love on the Brain. I did love the love hypothesis though, but everyone is saying this is a great book. It got fake dating in here, and I'm all for fake dating. So this is what we're gonna be reading. I'm about to go get in a late night workout, and then we're gonna come back, shower, dive into this before it's time to go to work, and then read more. I actually bought it on my Kindle as well. I don't have my Kindle on me.
It's hard to keep it clear. We're traveling together, going to bars together, skiing together.
Okay, excuse that. I was listening to The Bodyguard because I listened to The Bodyguard on what is this app called? Libby. I was listening to The Bodyguard because no one near me has the book, and I really want to read it, and a lot of people say it's a good book. So we're gonna pause. Well, I might finish listening to this book while I'm working out, and then dive into that. But anyway, like I was saying, I purchased the e-copy of Love on the Brain on Kindle so that I can read it at night, as you can see. So I can read it at night and won't have to hold the book up. So we're gonna late night workout, shower, then we're gonna start reading Love Theoretically. That's the plan, and I'll see you guys in a few. I am done working out. I've showered, and now I'm about to sit here for the next 30 minutes until I go to work at 12 and read the Love Theoretically. I am about to read Love Theoretically. If my skin look extremely greasy and oily, it's because I did my skincare routine. So I'm going to stop rambling and dive right into reading. It's 10:41 right now, and I gotta work at 12, so I have to leave the house probably like 11:40. So it's a good hour. It's a good hour of reading. But yeah, I see. Babes, good morning. It is 11:11. I just came from walking, but I want to let you guys know that I finished reading Love Theoretically last night, and I see the hype behind this book so much. I absolutely love. I love this book. And then the Olive and Adam cameo here, I was obsessed. I think I'm gonna give this book a 5-star. I think so. I think it's a heavy on 5-star, right along with The Love Hypothesis. I really enjoy this book so much. I love Elsie. I love Jack. I love Jack. Like I told you guys, I love grandmoms in books. Like it is just, I'm obsessed. Anything with a grandmother in it, I am completely obsessed with the grandma. And I just, if you haven't read this book yet, please read it. I'm obsessed. I love it. I think I'm gonna give it a reread. I love it so much. Like this was so good. Right next to, what is my copy of Love Hypothesis? Right here. I redid my bookshelves like as you can see, but these two are my favorite books by her. These two. I love Adam and Olive and Ellie and Jack. Elsie. What is it? Elsie? Ellie? Elsie. I think that's how you pronounce the name. Elsie and Jack. I just love these two. It's just something about them. And it is... Oh. I just love these two. And she was... in her author note, she was talking about how she wanted to explore more... STEM, educational STEM. This book wasn't as sciencey as Love on the Brain was. I couldn't get with that book for some reason. Like, I think it was Enemies to Lovers. I couldn't get with that. Like, I think it's all, no, because this one was not Enemies to Lovers. This was Fake Dating. Enemies to Lover. This just was Fake Dating. I think I just like the fake dating in her books. Like, she do fake dating so freaking well. So yeah, so like I said, we're going to choose between our next read, and I really want to read The Nanny, and let me move this and grab this bad boy right here. What Happened After Midnight by K.L. Walters. So I want to read this one because I was sold when I heard that she had the OnlyFans. Spice, Single Dad, and then the author of The Summer of Broken Rule. I really enjoyed that book. I want to see what this one's about. So these are 2 picks. I'm about to take a picture and post it on Instagram, and I'll check back in with you guys in a couple hours to let you guys know which book won and which book we're gonna be reading. So I'll see you guys then. Alright babes, it's been a couple hours later, and I filmed my bookshelf tour, and I've been busy today. I've been doing really good getting videos out, well, filming videos. So I have to edit them now, but I think I have like 4 videos to edit. So that's not what this video is about, but let's see. If you don't remember, I posted a poll choosing between The Nanny and What Happened After Midnight, and apparently everyone is just as confused as me because it's 50-50. As you see, 50-50. So I guess I'll be choosing what I'm gonna read. I really want to read The Nanny, so I guess I'll be that deciding factor, and we're gonna be reading The Nanny. So yeah, this is the book we're gonna be reading for today, and after we finish reading this, we're gonna wrap up this video. I'm so excited because I really want to know what this book is about. I heard it's very spicy. This book is like if Ellie Hazelwood and Tessa Bailey had a spicy baby. I devoured every page and was sad to see it end. Okay. But this is the cover. This is what we're reading, and we're gonna get into it. Have a few hours. Well, a whole hour. Yeah, I got an hour before I have to pick up the kids, so we're gonna read in the meantime. Guys, so I'm officially done reading The Nanny. I gave this book a 3.75. I truly enjoyed this book. It's about this girl named Cassie who is in college to become a physical therapy, but for kids. I think she called it something else, but she's trying to become a physical therapy for kids. And she ended up losing her job at this hospital that she was working at while going to college. Hence come in Aiden, who was looking for a nanny for his 10-year-old daughter. Well, she was 9-year-old daughter Sophie. Now Aiden was telling Cassie that Sophie kind of ran off the majority of her nannies before because of her behavior, because her mother passed, and she basically was, how can you, misbehaving, I would say. She was just expressing herself because, yeah. Anyways, she has an OnlyFans account. Aiden was her top subscriber. She ends up nannying for him, not knowing it's him, but they end up finding out. Well, she ends up finding out that it was him, and yeah. But like I said, 3.75. It was a really good book. It was full of spice. By this cover, you wouldn't think that it's spicy, but it is. So yeah. But I'm going to go ahead and end today's video right here. If you enjoyed today's video, give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
I'm calling bullshit. Say you got it, but you ain't got nothing. Bad bitches don't say shit, they just